everyone, I am Suhani Patel from MSc 1. Today I am presenting seminar of Chemical Biology CHG 190 on derived sugar and their significance. So let I introduce to what are the derived sugar. As we know, there are the four types of sugar: monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide, oligosaccharides. So, derived sugar are derived from monosaccharide. There are several types of derived sugar of monosaccharide. First is sugar acid. First is acid sugar. Second is sugar alcohol. Third is deoxy sugar. Fourth is amino sugar. Fifth is glycosides. So, we will see first sugar acid. Sugar acid are those monosaccharides which contain carboxylic group at one end or both end of its chain. For example, aldonic acid, uronic acid, aldaric acid. In next slide, we will discuss more detail about how sugar acid is derived from aldose. Aldose is a monosaccharide which on oxidation give aldonic acid, glycuronic acid, aldaric acid. In aldonic acid, the oxidation of aldehyde group takes place. In aldaric acid, there is an oxidation of aldehyde group as well as alcohol group oxidation take place. Significance of sugar acid. Sugar amino acid constitute an important class of such a polyfunctional scaffold where the carboxylic, amino and hydroxyl termini provide an excellent opportunity to organic chemists to create structural diversity akin to nature's molecular arsenal. Second is sugar alcohols. Sugar alcohols are called as polyhydric alcohols and also polyalcohols. They are organic compounds typically derived from sugar containing one hydroxyl group attached to one each carbon atom. They are a white water-soluble solid that can occur naturally or be produced industrially by hydrogenation of sugars. So the example of sugar alcohol is sorbitol and xylitol. So sorbitol and xylitols are derived from glucose. As in glucose, aldehyde group is reduced in alcohol. So as we see in sorbitol, only top aldehyde group is converted into alcohol group. So these are the sugar alcohols. Significance of sugar alcohols. Sugar alcohol are used to sweeten diet foods. They are also used in chewing gums, toothpaste and mouthwash. People who have diabetes eat food made with sugar alcohols because sugar alcohol turn to glucose more slowly and don't cause sudden increase in blood sugar. Third is deoxy sugar. This is the example of deoxy sugar, that ribose is a monosaccharide sugar which convert into deoxyribose. Deoxy sugar are sugar in which one of the hydroxyl constituents on the carbon cyclic backbone is replaced with hydrogen. Deoxyribose is a deoxy sugar that make up the sugar phosphate backbone of DNA. In this sugar, one hydroxyl group is replaced by H. Means here the monosaccharide is ribose. So it will contain when it's derived to deoxyribose, it contain one oxygen less. Significance of deoxy sugar. Deoxy sugar are important structural components in numerous natural products, including glycoproteins, bacterial endotoxin, and secondary metabolites. Efforts to understand the role of deoxy sugar have unbelievable and exciting array to diverse function of for these compounds. Fourth is amino sugar. In organic chemistry, an amino sugar is a sugar molecule in which a hydroxyl group has been replaced with an amine group. More than 60 amino sugars are known, with one of the most abundant being an acetyl D-glucosamine, which is the main component of chitin. This is an example of amino sugar. Alpha D galactosamine. The most common amino acid are the two amino aldohexose, namely D-glucosamine and D-galactosamine. The amino group usually occur as the N-acetyl derivatives. Amino sugar are components of structural polysaccharides and of the glycosphingolipids of membranes. Significance of amino sugar. Incorporate into protein-linked sugar chain, amino sugar regulate protein function and combine with other compound for antibiotics. And we will see last derived sugar, that is glycosides. Glycosides are non-reducing organic compound that on hydrolysis with acid, alkalis or enzymes yield. Significance of glycosides. Cardiac glycosides are medicines for treating heart failure and certain irregular heartbeats. They are one of the several classes for drugs used to treat the heart and related conditions. Thank you.